What up, everybody? What's up, everybody? This is your boy BIR8D. Don't forget the D, because the D stands for Damn Nature, you scary. So this one is gonna be another fail video, basically from Fail Army. Shout out to Fail Army. I love watching their videos. They're amazing. Subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Support them, whatever. I just want to do a reaction video to these. I did one originally with the with like car fails and stuff, road rage. I want to do one with nature. I don't be lurking on these a lot, but it when you watch like a good like man versus nature type like fail like show or clips or stuff like that, man, it gets pretty crazy. There's a lot of stuff about nature that it's we forget that Mother Nature, she puts you in check. So let's start this. I always keep starting it to show this part, but let's go back. I did see the first one. It was pretty crazy. Um, but yeah, let's just go ahead and watch these nature versus man.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know who took a piss in his food this morning, but that he came for a vengeance. He was like, "Fuck your camera. I'm sick and tired of it." Yo, for like low key though, just to say, like nothing low or anything, but yo, I always be wondering how zoo animals feel. Maybe I'll do a reaction video of zoo animals because I've seen some kind of like some fail videos of zoo animals and they're trippy. It just like overall, I feel like they just fed up with it. I mean, I just at this point it's like, yo, just let them. Let's not have a lot of these zoos anymore. At least just have them like the in some type of I don't know. I don't know how you would do it because I know a lot of these are animals that they can't put in the wild, so it's kind of back and forth. Anyway,
Don't get too close.
he's mad.
He wanted the phone.
He want that phone. Yo, the fact, oh my gosh, the fact that they're just laughing at a crocodile. First of all, where are they at? Where they have free range uh crocodiles that are faster than lightning, just swimming all over the place, and they're just laughing. Like, get out of the water. Look at this. Look at Anaconda 3. Look how that thing is climbing. Oh, when dolphins attack. Oh, yo, they came at him like a football blitz. That was an all blitz move. That was an all blitz move.
Look at that! Oh my gosh! He's gonna turn.
I've never seen some I was gonna say antlers. Horns. Isn't that a steer or an ox? That is huge. Oh, he about to. Oh, they about to fight. Yo, that buffalo about to fight. Oh, they don't want to. I want to see the rest of. Oh, piranha.
Mato abajo, mato abajo. Ajá, súbela.
Holy crap.
Yo, I've always had a fear that like there was I can't remember what movie it was where they showed where like a guy was walking. Wasn't it Lake Placid or something? And he fell in the water and the piranha would just eat him. And so I've always had a fear of that because being eaten alive by piranha, man, that's a way to go. That's a foolish way to go.
Oh, you freak. Oh,
Oh, look, another angry elephant. You can't park here. Elephant. That elephant is a meter. He low key working at 9 to 5 as a meter mate. He can't park here. You can't park here. I said you can't park here, Fred. The Loch Ness Monster? What was... It didn't even show his face. Uh-oh. Oh, what is an octopus? Whoa. It's Squidward.
Oh God, Pete, your pedal's close to that one.
Uh-oh. Oh. No. No.
He just bites hard.
Okay. Oh wait, there's one black dude here. Cause I was about to say, is that a shark biting him, or is that a catfish? Oh, is it one of the tiger sharks?
What's that?
Got something in his mouth or something?
Yeah, his arm.
No, come on.
that guy was raw for that. He was like, wait, you got something in his mouth? Yeah, his arm. But low key, that was a dumb question. I just saw it. Yo, I didn't see that until now. I didn't. Yo. That is. He doesn't see it. Y'all see it? Yo. Oh, it's a lady.
To come out this way.
Yo. Ninja Turtles?
Channel 7 News are coming now.
Yo, that thing look huge. That's Lake Placid 4.
Sheldon Fox in Westchester.
Let's get some Sheldon Fox in there with his suit on and with like the several layers that he has.
That's Killer
Alright,
Croc.
I'm gonna jump in there and try to get him out, guys.
No.
You hear what he just said? Did you hear what this fool just said? He gonna go in there and go. He the crocodile hunter now? You know what happened to the first one?
Oh, he's on. He's on.
Oh, this is another fear low key I have. Like I like riding bikes and like taking hikes and stuff like in the woods. Not like fully in the woods, but like trails, and I've always had a fear of this. Like when cuz the thing is with these birds, they don't stop. They will flag your ass down 2-3 miles down wherever they caught you at, and they won't stop.
Oh, he's gonna come off.
And the thing is, you gotta take it, because if anybody sees you beat the crap out of a bird, oh, now you in danger, and it's. But no, this is rude.
Oh, he's going
This is
off.
rude. Look at this. This is
Holy
rude. That bird chose
Yes,
violence. I don't get why this is entertaining to people. This isn't funny. This is stupid decision making. Like they're not even making enough money to do this. What is that?
Here we go. You've eaten that lure. Jesus Christ! Holy mo!
Is he fishing for crocodiles? And did he just ask if the crocodile was eating a lot? You know the crocodiles got something against their with their weight. You just gonna do that?
Right in the corner of the jaw.
Yeah, you got bait.
Holy moly, that was a big boy.
Another angry elephant. Uh-oh. Oh, dang! Another meter mate. Yo, this is scary too. This elephant though. These elephants are meter mate. Meter mate. You can't park here. I said you can't park here. He didn't care. Where's he going? What happened?
Não, que ele vai vir em cima da gente, mano. Olha o jeito que ele tá, filho.
Look at
Olha
this.
lá, mano. Ó.
Why she gonna come back? You think I'm scared of you? You think I'm scared of you? Get your ass over here. Get your ass over. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I said I'm going first. Another meter bait. You can't park here. You can't park here.
มันเอาเรื่องอะนะเป็นไรอ่ะมันจะกินของกินในรถน่ะ
I feel like this was the same elephant from last time. It just got a little bit older. Woo, that's a big boy. That's got to be in Florida.
Wow, you ever seen anything that big?
No, never.
I've never
That's
seen
two
one.
guys in an alligator suit.
I've never seen him come. Yo, why he look so big? Compared to this dude that was over here. Wait a minute. Yo, there's no way he's that big. Like that thing looked like it's 12 foot, 15, 16 foot.
Ну чё ты, ну иди сюда, иди сюда, иди сюда, ну.
Do what? Do what?
Как дела?
Do what? You talking shit? Shut the spit in your yo. Animals are rude, bruh. Can you imagine if animals had the intelligence we had, and like the amount of social media, like social content, like media, YouTube, the amount of stuff we can literally have? These guys are rude, bro. Oh, I know something about to happen. Look,
Going to the bar.
she can't go
He's
to the
really
bar.
scary.
Well, yeah, it's a baboon. I think it's a baboon.
Please don't come this way.
Oh no, he trying to protect. He looking around to see if
I
there's
don't
any.
like this.
He about to beat your ass. You better get
The
your
bar
ass
is
back
that
into
way.
the
Please
resort.
move. Please move.
Nah,
Come on.
she said, please, Will. This dude took a squat. Said, all right, what? Oh, I can do that too. What you want? Yo, she did something to him. She mocked him in some kind of way. Uh-oh. Yeah. Get your ass back to the resort.
Alex, he's putting the wind in.
Let's go in. Here it comes.
Okay.
Yo, he drunk. He drunk.
He's huge.
He drunk.
All right, I'm gonna close this door.
He didn't mean to park there.
Look at the camera and say goodbye to Hoss.
Going up the tree. There you go.
What happened?
There you go, going up that tree.
He gonna attack.
Can you make it?
Yo. I heard something about elephants, like you can't, like elephants will continue to keep or is that rhinos? Or is that hippos? Is that any big animal? That like if you try to run away from them, like they'll keep chasing you. That's scary. You see the fear in people's faces? I thought that was a mountain lion. That's a dog. See? That is one of my biggest fears. Going on a hike or a bike trail and because you have the bike trails that be like in the city and stuff like that, and they have houses and people don't know how to keep their dogs inside, and I've been chased by dogs before. That is not fun. Yo, the faces, this lady, I was confused because I thought he said something and she just was like, but I didn't realize that the elephant was in the back. What are they trying to pretend like? This is hilarious. He tried not to laugh. Oh hell no. I've seen that before too. But I've seen a blue crab do that. All right. They keep giving these crabs weapons. Watch. Next crab boy, watch. Did he just?
Yes.
Oh, he about to go around.
Oh my god.
It's just him too. Yo, he talking mad shit.
Stop. Just keep walking.
He talking mad shit too. Uh-oh. He doesn't see it? He didn't. Wait, how did he ride up the whole? Oh man, that's scary. I think that's a cobra. How did he not see that? Oh, that's scary. Yeah, hello, Mr. Alligator. Ooh, somebody got an ant problem. I wonder if this house is abandoned. It's probably in Florida. It costs probably $300,000. Abandoned house.
Out here I'm doing a Eucalyptus Wild Tour, and we've just been spearing barramundi just up along these logs. We've had a little bit of luck, and kind of had to stop and be like, well, got to be careful, because at the end of the day this is saltwater crocodile country, and you can just see how crystal clear this water is. And guess what, guys? We were just about to spear a barramundi right here, and then guess what we saw?
I like how he put like, oh, it's crocodile country, like it's nothing. Give me that camera. Whoa. You got shitted on. Yep. Ooh, chocolate too. Got a good eye. Uh-oh. Oh. Nah, that. Bro. Yo. That is so scary. Yo, I'm not living in the mountains. Yo, he about to. Don't tell me. I hope nothing bad's about to happen. Look, he's waiting. Yo. That just makes me wonder, like, no. Uh-oh. Yo, I've been, the last couple of years, I've been hearing some bad stuff about these are orcas, right? Or killer whales or something. They are the bullies of the sea.
Oh, dude!
You better go. Free Willy.
Fucking shit.
Yo, what they don't tell you is that before they were like, oh, what? Oh, honey, sweetie, look at the killer whales. They're coming. Wait, they're getting closer. Start the. I was gonna say start the car, but hippos. Is he in a tree? Oh yeah, he must have ran. Ooh. Oh.
No.
Would you get your ass in the?
นี่คือพลังมดนะครับ
ตัวเนี้ยไอ้พวกนี้ชุดตรวจการ
ดูโอ้โหดูมันต่อกันแถวเลย
กับรังมันไม่รู้รังมันอยู่ไหน
Yo, that is teamwork. You know, they went to the last group assessment team. The what do you call those? Yo, why? What is this? This I'm assuming Africa or something, but why do they have a roof and then a tent? Why don't they have a full if there's lions out here? He don't care about no horn. You don't think he heard a horn or two? Oh, he going to sleep. He trying to get comfortable. It's gonna be cold. He said you're not using it. Bro, what do you do in these situations? He don't care. He said, hey, turn off that noise. Oh, look. You know how people in America yo, that's crazy. You know how people in America have like roach problems or bug problems? Like this is problems that they have in Africa or in like Australia. That's hilarious. I mean it's not hilarious, but I mean anyway, that's all for that one. I really like the animal ones a lot too. That was actually kind of interesting. Maybe I'll do another one of those. You know, it just like I said, man, that mountain lion, that cobra, the bears. Now I noticed that there's a lot of bear ones where people are just. I'm assuming they live in the mountains, maybe Colorado or um, just like mountain area where there's black bears originally. But I'm noticing, like, man, is that like a normal thing to just go outside and you're trying to like go do some laundry? Maybe go to the garage and what? You just see a baby bear, an adult bear? That's crazy. That made me rethink a lot of stuff. But anyway, so that's it for that one. If you liked it, like, subscribe, send a comment. If you don't like it, that's cool. You can show your opinion. This is just for us to just chill, hang out. It's a safe space. Okay, I want a safe space with you guys. You know what I'm saying? Safe space. So, hugs all around. Hope you had a good day. Hope this was interesting. Till the next one, y'all have a good one. All right? Peace. Are you still here? Or what? What do you want me to do? Are you done or what? You want me to leave? I can leave.